Malabari Kozukatta, super delicious.
Hello, welcome to Mama's Kitchen. I am Shobna from Lucknow. So today I am going to prepare a new and very tasty recipe of Kerala. Kerala, as you know, it's a lovely and beautiful place. I really want to go there and enjoy, stay. But I never got a chance. But after the COVID is over, then I'll surely visit. All the snacks and basically South Indian dishes I love to eat and love to cook. So you also try this new recipe, and yes, its name is very nice, something very peculiar for me, that is Malabari Kozukatta. And when I made it for the first time, it was so delicious, that aroma, my God, I just wanted to eat it. And really, I couldn't wait. So as soon as I made it, I had it. So, and I hope you will also do the same. So make it for your loved ones at home and enjoy the delicacy with coffee or tea, as you wish. So let's move to Mama's Kitchen and see how it is made. It's a very easy and simple recipe, and please do give your comments, as I have participated in the Kerala cuisine contest. So give your views, reviews, happy cooking, and banaiye, khilaiye and bataiye. Thank you.
These are the ingredients: 3/4 bowl rice flour, curry patta, chana dal, red chilies and saunf, fennel seeds and 1 onion chopped, grated coconut 2 teaspoons. Now we'll keep a pan and boil 1 cup water, only 1 cup. You can see it should be according to the rice flour. Now we'll add salt, because if rice flour is more, you'll have to put more of water. Now we'll add rice flour and keep stirring. It is a must to keep stirring, otherwise lumps will be formed. So, and be careful because it is very hot. Now we'll take out this dough in a bowl and knead it well. You have to knead it with your palms. Put it in between the palms and press it. And now we'll make small rice balls. You can add a little bit of oil if you want, so that it doesn't stick to your hands. See, I have made all the balls, and now I have kept a steamer on the flame. But if you don't have a steamer, you can always steam them in an idli maker. I had already greased the steamer and put all the balls in that pan, upper pan. On the lower pan, water is there. So now we'll grind coconut, onion and few curry leaves. We'll make a paste. Now you can see these balls are steamed, and the sign to whether they are cooked, it becomes shiny and transparent, and you can press and see it will not stick to your hands. Now again we'll put a pan with a few drops of oil, and we'll add chana dal, mustard seeds and fennel seeds, or saunf as we call it in Hindi. So now as they start splitting, we'll add curry leaves. This aroma is so tasty, you know. Now we'll add that coconut paste which we had made. Yes, and keep stirring, mixing it well. So this aroma enhances your taste buds. I am sure you'll also like it. Now we'll mix the rice balls, steamed ones, and continue stirring. Mix it well, and it's nearly ready. I can't wait. So I'll have it first. You also please cook it. Happy cooking, and serve it hot. Thank you, and please give your valuable comments also. Bye bye.